Travelers Institute is here today at the New York Stock Exchange to ring the opening bell. How exciting. We're celebrating our 10th year anniversary.
So we're here with some of our best brokers and partners, and today we're working through a very important topic through our society, cyber risk.
We've assembled folks from government, law enforcement, third-party vendors that are experts in the field, insurance professionals, and how to manage these risks.
Particularly when it comes to cybersecurity. It's a very important issue, and we're here to learn from the experts as much as we can about what's going on to try and prevent it and stop it.
Education is critical. Because we're seeing this shift, and because with digital transformation, more and more transactions are happening online, more and more business is happening online, there's more and more risk online. The FBI reported roughly 26 billion in business email compromise in the last 18 months.
Ransomware is constantly evolving, and at Travelers, we have to kind of evolve with it to make sure that the capabilities that we provide to our customers are able to help them address this.
We help our customers in a variety of ways. Certainly, we offer cybersecurity insurance to help our customers if they have an event. But really, we're trying to help our customers before they have an event and to prevent them from having an event.
We spend a lot of time with our businesses using our risk control and our cyber experts to go in and understand where risks may be present inside their businesses. And then we educate them and bring various experts in to mitigate that risk.
There's a real opportunity, we think, to ensure that proper cyber hygiene and protocols are met. And by going through that process, even before you buy the cyber insurance, it's a process that will help your businesses be much more resilient.
One of the things businesses really need in preparing for cyber risks is education at every level of the business, all the way from the employee level, which is, not clicking on phishing links, being careful with suspicious email, all the way up to the board of directors level, and making sure that the board of directors understands the priorities that need to be put on cybersecurity.
The number of companies suffering these breaches are enormous. And so we've really decided to elevate beyond what we might normally do, say, for our own policyholders and have a broader public policy conversation. Bring all of the government, law enforcement, and other professionals together to have a conversation about what are the cutting edge issues and how can we improve together in order to mitigate this risk as we move forward.